spell turns soft and slow. Your hand in mine, the world a blur. Every spin brings me back to her. The lights reflect on mirror dreams. The record hums in faded themes. A saxophone begins to cry as laughter mingles with a sigh. The rhythm swirls, the moments gleam, a timeless loop, a lover's dream. Candlelight carousel, my heart you keep turning circles in the deep. Every glance a story told, every chord a love of old. The night drips gold through silver rings. The drummer hums, the trumpet sings. You smile like dawn behind the haze. My heart just dances through the maze. We never end, we just revolve. Every spin a mystery solved. In candlelight I find my way through echoes where our music plays. Candlelight carousel, so sweet. Each turn repeats our heartbeat. The world slows down, the memories stay, and love just spins away. Round and round, we never fail in our candlelight carousel. Raindrops fall like midnight pearls. Echoes dance in ribbons and swirls. You stand there smiling through the gray, and every tear just wants to stay. Your hand so warm in mine tonight. The thunder hums, our hearts alight. The street reflections start to sing of all the hopes the rain will bring. The sax cries low, the piano breathes. Love returns through silver leaves. Soft rain promises come true. Every drop reminds me of you. soft embrace, and through the rain I see your eyes. The sky reflects our sweet surprise. Lightning flashes gold above, still we stand inside our love. When the storm has had its fill, your heart beats thunder still. Soft rain promises tonight. Love keeps burning in the light. Sunlight in my wine, it glows, golden warmth the evening shows. Your laughter sways in amber air. I close my eyes, you're everywhere. The table hums, the record spins, the city sighs as night begins. A glass, a smile, a quiet tone, feels like peace, feels like home. The trumpet hums, the candles sigh, the sky turns gold, the hours fly. Sunlight in my wine tonight fills my heart with faded light. I taste the day that used to be still sweet because you're here with me. Your hand rests soft against my sleeve. We breathe the dusk we won't believe. Each word you say dissolves the pain like soft slow jazz through window rain. Every note a summer's in, every moment starts again. The light fades low, yet I still see the sun reflected, you and me. Sunlight in my wine remains, golden love in even veins. The world grows dim, but we still shine. A toast to love and time. Sunlight in Photographs in sepia tone, tell stories time has never known. A younger me, a younger you, in smoky rooms where dreams came true. Your hand was steady, mine was small. We learned to dance before the fall. The radio played our favorite song, and every note still feels so strong. The horn cries sweet, the drums soft slide. Time rewinds where hearts collide. Whispers in sepia remain. Love that never feels like pain. Faded edges, but hearts so clear. I still hear you whisper near. The years have spun, the vinyl's thin, but your song plays beneath my skin. Every scratch a memory's trace, every pause your soft embrace. The band slows down, the lights turn low, the past and present start to glow. I close my eyes and feel you there in every note, in every prayer. Whispers in sepia stay. Your voice won't fade away. Through black and white, the soul still sees our love in minor keys. As the record slows and drops, the whisper never stops. Honey moonlight on your skin. Whispers start where dreams begin. The night's so still, the air so sweet. Your heartbeat keeps my rhythm neat. You laugh so low, your shadow glows in golden kind. The radio hum and record spins. We're wrapped in where our love begins. The brass cries soft, the drummer sighs, and love just lives in your brown eyes. Honey moonlight, keep me close. Your kiss is the thing I miss the most. When the music fades and time stands still, I'll dance with you again. promise kept, every tear a smile we wept. So let this moonlight never die. Hold me till the stars run dry. Honey moonlight, play our tune, our souls forever in the when the record stops and the lights grow dim, I still hear the ghost of him. Every groove that played our tune still shines beneath the silver moon. The needle lives, but I remain, still tracing love through phantom pain. His laughter haunts the silent room, a tender curse, a sweet perfume. The brass breathes low, the bass drifts slow. I close my eyes and let it flow. When the records stop, I'm still in time. Your memory hums between the lines, those silence falls. I hear the song that kept our broken hearts so strong. That old refrain, it pulls me near. Through every note I feel you here. The vinyl spins inside my chest and love refuses to rest. The music fades but won't let go. Your voice remains an undertow. And though the night forgets your name, the needle finds its flame. When the record stops, I still believe your harmony. I can't retreat, but every time the silence drops, I feel you. When the record stops, let it fade, let it fall. You're the echo through it all. Pour me slow that amber hue, a little warm, the dream of you. The crowd fades out, the lights turn low, the jukebox hums comes a tune I know, I tilt my glass. Your voice returns, the record spins, a candle burns. The same old smile I can't forget still plays beneath the silhouette. A trumpet cries, a bass replies, the rhythm soft, the memory lies. Velvet whiskey nights and sighs, sweet smoke drifting through my eyes. You're gone, but here in sound and flame, this glass still whispers your name. To your old song, the one that made the night so long. The bartender knows not to ask, just fills my blues in crystal glass. I see your ghost in golden haze, dancing slow through smoky maze. Love's not gone, it's just asleep. In whiskey dreams that run so deep. Velvet whiskey nights and dreams flow through heart in amber streams. I toast to love that never dies through velvet whiskey means. Through velvet whiskey nights.
Sunlight drips through curtain lace. I find the world inside your face. The vinyl spins a gentle ray, and blues turns gold in sweet decay. Your voice like honey, low and true, reminds me what the heart can do. The trumpet sings, the sky breeze wide. Love feels safe when you're inside. No tears tonight, no broken vows, just soft forgiveness in the now. Golden afternoon, stay near. The past is gone, but you're still here. In every note, the light renewed, a soulful gold of rhythm blues. The city slow, the record glow, your hand in mine, a gentle flow. We hum along to songs we knew and find the joy that once was true. Let the brass cry in the breeze. Love's return comes with ease. We were blue, but now we shine in this afternoon divine.
eyes. The city hums where rhythm lies, heels on pavement, soft and slow. I follow where the blues winds blow. Street lights dance on silver rain, taxi horns hum sweet refrain. The trumpet sighs, the night's alive. I'm chasing dreams that still survive. I hear your voice down every street, a ghost in jazz and gentle beat. On Midnight Avenue I walk alone, but your echo makes this city home. Every note in every bar still remembers who we are. The club lights dim, the crowd leans in, that same